Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying OTG support, because that determines whether your phone can read a pendrive at all. Once done, attach the correct OTG adapter to the phone, USB-C or micro USB, and make sure the pendrive is seated securely in the adapter. You should also unlock the device and keep battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Do this now so the system can detect the drive immediately when you plug it in. After plugging the pendrive into the OTG adapter and the adapter into your phone, wait a few seconds for Android to mount the device. Then open Settings then Storage, or simply launch your Files app to find the external drive listed. Make sure to accept any permission prompts asking for USB access so the system can index files. If the drive contains media, apps may ask separately for permission to read those folders. Grant access to proceed. Now transfer files by selecting items in Files and choosing Copy or Move to the external drive. You can also stream media directly. Once finished, always safely eject the pendrive via Storage Settings or the USB notification to prevent data loss. If the drive doesn't appear, try it on another device to rule out hardware failure, toggle OTG settings if present, or reformat the drive to XFAT or FAT32 after backing up. Reformatting fixes most file system compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.